guys, welcome back. It's your girl Coco, and I am here to talk about a subscription service for anyone that has a business, a small business, entrepreneur, whether you have a product or service-based business. So the subscription service I'm here to talk about is HP Instant Ink. It's really simple, really great service. I ordered from them last week, and I think it came within 7 to 10 business days. But what Instant Ink is, it's a subscription service where each month or each time you run out of ink, HP will send you a replacement ink cartridge for your printer. So they have different plans. They have a free plan. They have a plan that's like $3.99 or $5.99. You have the $9.99 plan, and then you have the $19.99 plan. And what that means is with each plan, depending on how many pages you print per cycle, they will send you an ink cartridge that will cover you for that cycle. And if you need more, you can always upgrade or downgrade your plan, or just, the more you need the ink, the more they will send it to you. So I just got this package in the mail like 2 days ago. I haven't opened it yet, so you guys get to see me open it for the first time. And it comes in a little box like this. It has this little note card in here that says thank you for signing up, you'll never run out of ink, which is really cool. Like I said, it talks about the different plans that they have and all of that in this little pamphlet. And then they sent my ink cartridges. Really simple. So I was paying like $60 to $70 for ink, and I go through a lot of ink. I have to print packing slips and shipping labels. I have to make product labels, all of that from my printer, so I go through a lot of ink. They also have this little baggie in here. Oh, this is cool. They have this little baggie in here so you can return the ink once the cartridge is empty to help recycle. This is really cool. So keep this and use this. So I will have a link down in the description box for you guys to get 1 month free with the HP Instant link. All you have to do is click on the link, sign up, and you will get 1 month free of ink. And then, after that, you'll have to pay for your service. But it's really cheap. And you pay monthly for your service. So, yeah, you guys, definitely check out HP Ink. This only works for HP printers. So if you have another printer, just check with them to see if maybe they have a subscription service or something like that. But yeah, you guys, so thank you for watching my video, and I'll be back with another one. Bye.